What's going on, everybody? It is Jamie and welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. Yes, yard sale season is still happening. I got out on the weekend, hit some yard sales, met some interesting characters. I think you're going to enjoy this one. Check it out. Oh, Disney ornament there, 2019. Probably grab that. What do you want for this guy?
That? Oh, $1.
Okay. Yeah, we collect them. We've got we have one tree that's just entirely Disney.
Oh, is that right? Yeah.
Yeah. It's cool.
What did I say? $1?
Yep.
There you go.
Thank you.
I see you got a backpack.
Yeah.
That's a. You ever go online and see what they're worth?
Yeah, I know that company is super expensive for sure.
You know, and I'm not bullshitting. I went online.
Yeah.
That sells new $850.
Oh, really?
I can't freaking believe it.
Let's see here.
Yeah, Google it. They're unbelievable.
You ever used Google Lens before?
No, I don't have a cell phone, but yeah, that's the way to go. I should do that, you know.
If I have internet. Oh, there, I closed it.
Now,
you can actually just take a picture of it.
Yeah, it'll tell you the value.
Well, it just searches Google for anything similar.
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is. Wow. Oh, Poshmark. That's definitely somebody selling it there.
Now, yeah, that's
stock.
That's not. I know I got mine on Kijiji.
Yeah.
But how much are they asking for it? Does it say?
Well, $500.
Oh,
but
Jesus.
yeah. What were you asking for?
I think I got it on Google or on Kijiji for, I'm going to say 200. I can't remember. It's been on there for a few weeks.
For a while, eh?
Yeah. But yeah, I can't believe the price, you know?
Yeah.
And it's genuine if you look inside.
It's got all the patches and stuff for like, it's hard to see what they have, eh?
Well, it's all...
Oh, okay. It's plated.
Yeah.
Laptop bag.
Also, it's got the, you see here?
Oh, yeah.
All the markings. Like, it's authentic.
Yeah, it's legitimate for sure. I spent a good amount of time looking for this on eBay. I couldn't find it exactly. I found it on Poshmark. I found it on Depop. I found it on a few other websites. I don't know if it's authentic or not. So I just sort of took a walk here and thought about it. I thought, if this guy wants $200, it could be fake. I don't know what I'm going to get for it. I don't, you know, there's a lot of things going through my head. So I just decided to walk around, see if I could find something maybe to buy from him, to maybe make a deal, make a bundle, anything I could think of. So I stumbled across a couple hats you'll see here in a second. Definitely overpaid for them, but it did open up the window for me to possibly buy this bag. So here we go.
Yeah, $2 each.
How much did you want for your hats here?
$5 each.
5 each?
Yeah. They're NHL approved.
Yeah. It's Mitchell and this, I think.
I didn't know I had it.
There you go. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too.
Wait, we'll warm up a little bit?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Give you a deal on the 2 hats instead of $5 each, $8 for both of them.
8 for both of them?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I'll probably do that. Sure.
Alrighty.
That's my dog. Oh, it's your
He's mad.
mid-sized dog?
There you go.
No,
Big
golden
dog?
golden retriever.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Yeah, that bag's interesting.
Well,
I'd only offer like $50, and I don't think you want to take that. So
you know something? I would take it.
would you take 50?
Yes, I would. Yeah.
Okay.
No, it doesn't me.
Yeah. That's what
Doesn't
I
do me
think.
any good sitting there. So.
Yeah, I do think it's worth something.
Well,
I
it's
just,
worth something, but
it's just,
gotta find the right person, right?
yeah. I'd feel more confident if I could find it actual sold on eBay or it listed.
Yes.
I don't think it's fake or anything. Like you can
It's
see
not
the
fake
markings.
guaranteed, no. Well, I wouldn't say guaranteed.
The
But
lining's
Yeah.
on stamp too. So.
Yeah, it's a nice bag. So
Yeah, it is. It's all stamped and everything, so I'm sure it's authentic.
I really think it is.
It's
Not
just
that I know much
somebody's got
about.
the time to
Yeah.
fool around with it, you know.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Well, thank you. You have a good day.
You too.
You too.
Morning.
DVD. Yeah, everybody thinking I wondered what's the brand new, sir.
It's brand new, eh?
Yes,
Yep.
it is.
Okay.
Never open. Well, what I mean, the box is open because everybody
Yeah.
wants to see.
Want to see it for sure.
Yes,
You want $80 for it, right?
yes, please.
Okay. Let me
That's
just
coming with the new cartridge too.
see. Yep. Yeah.
Well, anyway, yeah, so all the things is in there.
Yep.
Well, you interested something like that stuff?
I sell online, so I was just kind
Oh.
of seeing what it sells for open box.
Oh, all right.
Just-
Because I see your GoPro.
Oh yeah.
I have one too.
Oh, cool.
And also, I have a sign making equipment inside in the house. Plotter. You know what is a
Oh, a vinyl cutter.
plotter?
Yeah.
Vinyl cutter. Yeah, I have two of them new in the house.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was a sign guy.
Okay.
And that's a brand new grommeter also.
The which set? This thing?
It's a grommeter.
Oh, the grometer.
That's
Yeah.
for sign people.
Yep.
It's only for professional. Then it's not really. I don't know what is the price on it.
So brother, maybe I'll add that too. It's HL.
Yeah, HL 2240.
Yeah. It's funny. Some of these printers are worth a couple $100, and then some aren't. It's so.
Oh,
it's so
well,
bad.
anyway, no, I'm not greedy. Okay?
No, I
like to
understand
use
that.
The stuff, somebody could use it.
Yeah.
Because I have one in the home. You know, when we was a sign guy, I have a spare.
Yeah.
All the
Oh yeah.
time. Yeah. That's
I have
only the reason.
I have the similar model of this. Mine's just got a scanner on top. Yeah. See, that's used. Where's it?
You know, it's working so long. I just have to replace the cartridge.
That's
Really,
it.
I'm
They're
so
amazing. They are amazing.
Happy. Yeah, it surprised me. Because I get before the color, but the Canon one, and it's so expensive, the cartridge, everything. You know,
Yep.
It's just crazy.
This is open box, brand new. I think so.
I have that brand new TV in the box.
Okay. I'll take a look at that too.
Oh.
Yeah, I'll give you $80 for this.
Yeah, that's fine.
I think I might have to grab
Yeah, that's,
cash in my car.
Park your car.
Oops. More than fair. $80. Got another 20. Yeah, cash in here.
Tizenhat hónap volt a várakozásig. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Idő. You know?
What's the vinyl cutter? What brand is it?
I'll show you if you're coming inside.
Sure, I'll take a look. I'll just set this
Yeah,
aside.
that's okay.
Yeah, no problem.
Let's just go in, please. Just walk in.
Oh, okay.
Everything for sale. The house for sale too.
Oh, really?
Everything. Except me. Okay. And I'm just thought to be. This is the cutter.
Okay.
Okay. That's one. And here is the second one.
Okay, yeah. So we wound up talking about the vinyl cutters for a bit. I couldn't find those particular brands on eBay. Vinyl cutters are all over the place. Those ones are a little bit older, so I have a friend who I'm gonna reach out and ask some questions to. I got the gentleman's number, but he had some other interesting stuff. You know, he wanted quite a bit of money for it, but let's take a look at it. What's one of those will work, eh? The record player and everything's for sale too?
Okay. No, I have that stuff, yes.
The record player's for sale?
Everything for sale, sir.
Everything? Okay, I would be interested in these two. This is just
That's
VCR.
a 6 head.
A 6 head?
A 6 head,
Toshiba?
sir. It's professional.
Wow.
Okay, you could see.
Okay, yeah, very nice. And then Samsung, eh?
Yeah, that's a Toshiba 6 head. Yeah, 6 head. It's here.
Wow. Okay, and it's got the tracking thing on it too, right? You know what you want for these guys?
I honestly, I don't know because that was my last things to sell. It's,
Oh, really? Okay.
yes, what?
I don't know what the offers, because I normally pick them up at thrift stores and stuff, but they're like $13.
Well-
So like, you know what I mean? I don't know what you want for them, but
Yeah, well, not so much. Well, not so low.
yeah.
And I have this table too for sale. Okay,
Yep.
it's a Mexican table with a copper plate.
Okay.
It's heavy.
Okay.
Basically, everything is for sale.
Yeah. Like I'd be, unless you knew, I'd be comfortable giving you $20 a machine. Like, not enough? No?
Sorry, then I keep it.
Yeah. Because I think, I haven't, obviously I'd have to look them up. I think this one would sell for like $80 online, which is what I would do with it. And I think
local-
this one would be maybe more because it's a combo. But yeah.
Okay, Cussie.
Like cameras or digital cameras or camcorders.
Okay.
Those type of things I'm interested in too usually.
I don't have digital camera. I have the
Like a film camera.
Mamiya because I was a professional photographer
Yeah.
long time ago.
Yeah.
And I still have that one in the case
Okay.
with all the expensive equipment.
Yeah. Well, it was expensive at one time.
It's
Yeah.
worth. I don't know what does it worth today.
Yeah.
If you want, I could bring it up and show you.
I would have a look.
Few
Yeah.
$100 I took.
Yeah.
It's thousands I spent on it.
Oh, I believe it. I believe it.
It's.
Okay, like this style of camera. Wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, here is all the brochure, everything. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Manual. How do you say that? The brand?
Mamiya.
Okay.
Mamiya 645, 1000, because that's coming with the motor drive together, the wider lens. Okay,
Yeah.
that's German.
Yeah.
Yeah,
When's the last time you've actually used it? Do you remember?
I tell you the truth, no. because
No,
I'm
it's been a while.
78 years
Oh, it's been a
old.
while. Yeah.
Mennyi ez?
Rá van írva, nem?
Egy 10-es.
Mennyit akarsz adni érte?
Te Péter, mert nekem nem kell csak, elviszem, hogy ne legyen itten. Mennyi adod nekem?
8? Vagy új?
Hol lehet erre venni ilyen?
Bármelyik Canadian Tire-ba mindenhol árulják azt. Az egy csip dolog, az egy vászon rajta.
Ó, én tudom. Hát csak kibafolni a kocsit?
Tessék?
Bafolni?
Igen, bafolni az autót, igen.
Ez egy 5-öst adok érte, Pedro.
Adja gyötös. De csak neked.
Did you know what you were gonna want for this thing?
No.
You
no
don't
clue.
know?
I tell you the truth.
Okay.
Okay? Köszi. Szia.
I think the problem becomes whether it works or not changes the value of it. I would buy it to sell it, obviously, is what I would do.
Oh,
with
no,
it, right?
no, I understand.
yeah,
You
so-
are a businessman, that's it.
Yeah, but like, so here's the thing, like, I'm not going to test it. I would sell it as
But
is, untested.
It's working. I know it's working.
Just,
I don't buy the... Okay. How does it? Because they say what trick on it, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, you have to push it. And
Push and pull over.
yes. Because the 120 film is going in there.
Okay.
And the electronic viewfinder, but what I mean, it's doing the same things as the Luminex.
Okay.
Okay. Well, you get the whole brochure here.
Yeah. What is this body piece for?
Okay. This is coming in there. Just make sure you
Okay.
don't get the reflection from the sun.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep.
That's like a sun umbrella, sun shape. Okay.
Okay, like a sunshade, yep.
Yeah, I have everything here, sir.
Yeah, people just collect these and put them on a shelf, right? That's what they do with them. But they still pay good money for them.
Well, anyway, it's useless for me because, and this is a bulletproof cake because my customer, when I make at the weddings, they're sitting on it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, I wouldn't know what to offer you. If you had an idea, I'd
no.
tell you, but...
I just show you because maybe
Yeah.
it's sitting here for nothing, okay?
Yeah. Well, I'll tell you, I will call you about the vinyl cutter.
Yes, that's fine.
If you want to think about this and give me a price, I'll let you know what I'm thinking. I can just show you, like here, I'll show you just so I'm being honest with you. Like,
Oh yeah, thank you.
so that's the body.
Yes.
It's 360. And then it can get up higher, but like I would say these are all.
Listen,
So what it says though is when you click through
if you
it.
give me for everything, it's in there 500, I will be happy, okay?
Yeah. I'd have to think
Try
about it.
to
'cause
search,
these,
you could sell it
that's
or
what I'd
not.
have to do because
I
most
know
of
how
these
is
are
the
going to
business,
be.
okay?
Most of them are going to be film tested that you're seeing there, which means if somebody bought it and it didn't work the way that I said it was going to work,
Give me back.
no, well, it just affects my account and stuff on eBay. That's why.
No, I know it's working
No, I believe it.
because
All right, I had a pretty fun Saturday. The interesting characters, don't know about that bag either. I'm gonna have to do some more research. I definitely don't know about putting it on eBay. I'll throw it up on Poshmark, on Depop. I definitely want to make sure it's authentic first. It's so hard to tell. I mean, it seems like a lot of effort went into making the bag, but you never know. There's some pretty good fakes out there these days. As far as the camera stuff goes, and the gentleman at the end, cool stuff. Would you pick that up? I just couldn't pull the trigger. $500 seemed like a lot of money still for that. You know, it's untested. It worked when he put it away, but does it work now? I don't know. I don't know anything about old cameras except for they can be very valuable. You know, if I could pick that up for $50, take a chance on it, sure. Would you pay $500 for that? It's probably worth it, honestly. I'm just not willing to take the gamble on it right now. If you guys like videos like this, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. Till next time, take care, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.